Hello everybody, it is the time of years when food preservation was important. Harvest time, fruits and vegetables are preserved. In Korea, in the early time with the spread of Buddhism, eating meat was banned throughout much of Korea, which led to the increase of primary vegetarian foods, because meat is strictly prohibited in Korea. The Korean temple food does not use any animal products except dairy products. Three types of food are eaten in Korean temples, like natural food, preserved food, and fermented food. Today, I'm going to show you one of a popular summer kimchi in Korean called cucumber kimchi or white subuki. Here is the ingredients. Cucumber, 5 pieces. Carrots, 3 small pieces. Onions, 3 small pieces. Salt, 2 tablespoons. Rice flour, 1½ tablespoon. Korean chili flakes, 5 tablespoons. Sugar, 1 tablespoon. Fish sauce, 3 tablespoons. Minced garlic, 1 tablespoon. Minced ginger, 1½ teaspoon. Apple, 1/4 slice. Here is the first step. We first cut it in half, and then we remove the edges. And then we cut it like this. For us to make a pocket like this. And then put 2 tablespoons of salt into 2/3 of the water and make sure to stir it well until it completely melts. Pour it over the cucumber and mix it well. Give them privacy for about 40 minutes. Make sure to mix it occasionally so that they all get started well. After 40 minutes, drain the cucumbers. You can put them in a strainer about 30 minutes to 1 hour or squeeze them. Now let's make the kimchi paste. For the rice porridge, put 1/2 tablespoon of rice flour into 1/2 cup of water and then whisk it. Pour it into the pot and boil it over low heat. Keep stirring because it's very easy to burn. Once it boils, we cool it down. Next is we'll blend our onions and apple and add a little bit of water. Next is we pour it into a bowl. And then we add our chili flakes. And then we add our sugar. And then our fish sauce. Next, our minced garlic. And then our minced ginger. And then we add our mixture. And then we stir. Lastly, we add our chopped carrots. And then we mix it again. Next, we're going to stuff the paste into our cucumber. Now, our Korean cucumber kimchi is all done. It won't stay good in the fridge for a long time, like kimchi. Thus, I recommend it eating within 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, now we put it in a bowl. Now, our Korean cucumber kimchi is all done. Now, I am going to taste it. Wow, it's very delicious and